nationwide po ito ha. Kung kanina, taga Bohol. Ngayon naman po, isang nurse.
Nurse?
From
From?
Davao del Sur.
Wow, layo naman. And according sa kanya, mahilig daw siyang gumawa ng version niya ng mga kanta at dito niya napapakita yung kanyang style.
That's it.
At ito pa, isa pa sa mga nakwento niya sa atin. Before, she had a very big opportunity to compete abroad. And ngayong gabi, mapapakinggan natin ang kanyang angking galing. Please welcome our June monthly winner. Walang iba kundi si Miss Christina Marie Caminade.
She has won. Now it's no fun. We've lost it all. The love is gone. We had magic. This is tragic. You couldn't keep your hands to yourself. I feel the world's being infected. Somehow you left me neglected. We found a liar's way. Change, babe. You lost me. And we tried. Oh, how we cried. We've lost ourselves. The love has died. And though we try, you can't deny. Oh, we left the shadows. We lost a fight. We had magic. This is tragic. Oh, you couldn't keep your hands to yourself. I feel like the world's been infected. Somehow you left me neglected. We found a liar's way. Change, babe. You lost me. Now I know you're sorry. And we were free. Hey, but you chose not me. You deceived me. You regret it, but it's too late. How can I ever trust you again? I feel like the world's been infected. And somehow you left me neglected. We found a liar's way. Change, babe. You lost me.
Let's give it up once again. our Win Big finalist number 2, Miss Christina Marie Caminade. Kamusta ka naman? Ano bang gusto mo itawag namin? Christina o Marie?
Christina.
Christina.
Hello, Casey. Okay, sorry naman. And Christina, yung video entry mo sa amin before, pinanood namin lahat yon, and nakita namin you were singing in front of your laptop, nakaupo, you were very relaxed, and you were enjoying what you were doing. And well, ang question ko, how different is it performing now on stage in front of so many people, in front of your family, your friends, and of course our distinguished judges? Anong pakiramdam?
Very motivated po.
Oh,
And very
motivated.
happy. Nag-e-enjoy lang po ako.
And I can see the confidence.
Thank you po.
Big word yun, very motivated. Kung sama na rin mo ang laptop, iniimbitahan ko namin kayo na ilike ang aming official fan page, ang 91.5 Big Radio. Ngayon po, alamin naman natin ang isa nating judge kung ano ang tingin niya sa performance ng ating second contestant, Justin. Sige na, alawin mo na yun.
Thank you, Arnie. At hi, magandang gabi, Christina.
Really po.
Siyempre, tanongin muna natin ang, pakinggan natin ang komento ng isa sa mga pinaka-haligi ng industriya. Siyempre, the timeless Mr. Mon Balbasar.
Alam mo, actually, bilang ako ng, puntar lahat ng mga nota so ng particular Pero sa hirap ng kanta mo na yan, isa lang kapiraso lang yun ang nakita ko. I like yung quality ng voice mo, very colorful. At iba-ibang, yung kulay, yung textures, ang daming textures ng boses mo at nagamit mo ng gusto yan. Wala ako nadinig na any timing and error, you're right on the track ng mga nota. Great showmanship, star appeal, kita naman and audience impact, I'm sure. So, feeling ko yung great, hindi bababa ng 95.
Ulot na ang puso niya.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Mon Del Rosario. Guys, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Christina Marie Caminade, our Win Big finalist number 2.